you found bacterial and yeast secondary infection, you may think about antimicrobial therapy, but you see here this question mark because you should remember that this is secondary infection, right? And there is a reason for that secondary infection, and never ever should you treat just disinfection, thinking of disinfection as a primary reason. Remember about underlying reason. And if you didn't find anything on this first consultation, just secondary infection, you may start antimicrobial therapy, but start at the same time at least antiparasitic trial therapy, right?